This is Magsafe magnet wallet. So this is perfect for traveling to take with you. It's very small and portable, and it also comes with this magnet in case you need to convert your phone into a Magsafe. And if you don't have this already, they provide you with one, which is great. It's very good quality. I like the color a lot. It's very nice. And you can put all your items here. And when you open it, it's like that. So it's a magnet over here. And when you open it, you can see all the items that you want to put over here. And you have that extra pocket. And this is how you would put it in your phone. There you go. So it's very secure. You carry all your stuff. That way, if you don't want to carry a bunch of things, you just put everything over here. And you organize your items in here. So you can just decide what to put inside. This is just as an example of things that you can put inside. And I'll put obviously your ID over here for to have a good access. Also, when you are traveling, this is a great thing because you have everything very at hand. So there you go, you just have everything in one place and you see access to it. You can store some cash over here as well, but all your IDs are ready to go and ready for you, accessible while traveling, and you don't have to be spending a lot of time looking for them. And then if you need to use the Magsafe for whatever, you just remove it and you use your phone and put it in a Magsafe of another kind that you need to put it on. So there you go.